to go be natural sac passe.
Nabule.
Yes, today I have a special guest with me. It's my little brother. You wanna introduce yourself?
I'm Nickens. As she said, I'm her little brother.
And yeah, in today's video, we're gonna show you guys his hair routine. So a simple hair routine for guys. How if you guys wanna get like curly, nice curls, and you guys have nappy hair, or just have natural hair, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and it's really simple. So let's get started. For today's video, what you guys will need, a spray bottle, just water in it, and Afro pick, your favorite hair conditioner. We use Aussie Moist. Well, I use Aussie Moist, but he used all of my products, so he used Aussie Moist too. Yep. And Eco Styler gel. So yeah, my gel we're gonna be using in his hair because that's all I use, my products. Anyway, so we're gonna start by spraying water on his hair, just a little. You have to get down, but you're too tall.
My fault.
You have like, I guess, a lot of hair, and you have really nice soft hair now because he started taking care of his hair. Like he washes hair every day, more than me. And get down, bro. You're really tall.
Oh, okay. Let me do it. Still.
My
hair's kind of nappy. So.
Pick out his hair.
Oh. Yeah, this is deadly. Alright.
And this is how his hair look like after you pick it out. So what we're gonna do, if you wanna shampoo your hair, you can, but we're just gonna conditioner his hair because he washes it every day and his hair doesn't need to be shampooed. So we're gonna conditioner his hair with this, with Aussie Moist, just to get the moisture and the shine and everything else. Yeah, and we'll be back. We're gonna do that off camera. Just conditioner your hair, wash your hair like you usually wash it every day. There's nothing special. And if you want extra moisture, actually, you can just leave the conditioner for longer. So if you're doing it while you're taking a shower, just shampoo your hair and conditioner your hair and leave the conditioner for like 5 minutes, and then make it a little better, make your hair soft, more soft and more moisturized, I guess. Okay, we'll be back.
Just now.
We're just gonna wash his hair.
Yeah, so I'm back. I just rinsed out all the conditioner, and just as she said, just let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. That's all you need. So now this is the fun part, you know. This gel, Eco Style gel, it is the most amazing thing. It is elite. This gel is what's gonna get all the shorties knocking at your door. This gel is the gel that makes you look like a sweeter man, makes you look fly. Is this gel? It bring you to the promised land. Trust.
Many 16 white shorties for.
Don't worry. Alright, so
yeah, guys, we're gonna.
Alright, so first, you don't need that much.
He's gonna do it because he does it all the time.
So you need like that much. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's not a lot. So start off.
You know what? I guess you don't need me.
You put it all over your hands and just like kind of like play around with it. Put it kind of anywhere. And just wrap it around your hair. You know? Let's do more. A little more. And just play around with it, to be honest.
Look at you now. You can't even have your own YouTube channel. You can do your hair by yourself.
Yeah, and this is how it looks. Like, it's not, you can kind of see the curls come in. It's kind of white, but that'll change later. Yeah.
Sorry guys, I'm a little sick.
So rub it all over, everywhere. Play around with it. And this is the fun part. So this is I have the water. Is you gonna spray it like everywhere? Get your hair wet, like super wet. Like to the point where your hair can't hold any more water, it's just dripping down your face. Sorry if you get wet. I put it everywhere. It's just water. Oh, yeah. So yeah, my hair is dripping now. You can see my face. It's wet. Make sure you have a towel around because it gets kind of messy. And this is the fun part I like. I just dance it out, shake my hair. Sorry, you're gonna get wet, Becca.
Go ahead. I know that's good.
Go. Dance It gets super crazy. But you can already see it kind of showing more. Just keep shaking your hair and adding water. That's a lot of water.
I know.
Yeah. And just keep shaking it. Oh, it's super wet now. Just keep shaking it. You look kind of dumb. You might get whiplash, but it's okay.
I don't know what I'm here for, but guys, hey, I'm here.
See how it's looking. Yeah, it's getting better. If you want, honestly, just keep adding water, keep shaking it. That's all you gotta do.
So guys, water is the key. It's all about water.
Yep. And the gel. Trust me, the gel works wonders.
That's why my gel can't stay, bro. Henny does that like twice a day.
It's like once. Don't listen to her. Wow. It's
Every single day, even when he's not going out.
Ooh, my head hurts. Bro.
I think you're good enough.
Yeah, just let it dry and you can still wet it up. That's basically it.
Yeah, if you want it to be more curly, I guess you add more water and you shake it more. So we are back and it's been 30 minutes and that's how the hair should look like when it's dry. You should be able to see your curls. You're far away from the camera.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, like that. You can see all the curls and you see all the shrinkage, like his hair actually shrank a lot. And yeah, guys.
That's that.
Cause poppin'. So yeah, guys, that's all we had to show you today. Thank you so much for watching your tutorial. We can see you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like,
comment,
subscribe, share
share
with your friends, and yeah, and you can check out my other videos also. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. Bye.